Hi. Nice to meet you, Andrew. So you need this
That's the working one.
word. Let me see. Okay, you wanna use programming the key and that's it. Okay. 2020.
2020, yep.
Yeah. We're gonna program in this key. We make the bypass. We pass the cable through the car and put the pin right here. Éxito de programación. Programming successful. Perfect. And then we push the brake and turn it. Perfect. All good. Thank you.
Thank you, sir. I appreciate it. Have a good day, bro.
You too.